Hi everyone, welcome back to the Traveler YouTube channel. I'm Amaya, and today I'm thrilled to take you on a journey to one of Norway's most spectacular natural wonders, Skjervsfossen Waterfall. I've done plenty of research, talked to locals and travelers, and I'm excited to guide you through everything you need to know about this stunning place as if I were your personal tourist guide. Skjervsfossen is located in western Norway, in the municipality of Voss, which is part of Vestland County. If you look at a map, you'll find it near the quaint village of Granville, along Route 13, a scenic road that offers travelers amazing views of fjords, mountains, and forests. This waterfall is very accessible, making it a perfect stop for anyone exploring Norway's fjord region. Whether you're on a long road trip or just want to spend a few hours surrounded by nature's beauty. Skjervsfossen is not just one waterfall but actually consists of two separate streams that fall side by side. Together, they plunge approximately 150 meters. That's almost 500 feet. The water crashes down sheer cliffs into a lush valley below, creating a dramatic scene that's both powerful and peaceful at the same time. What really sets Skjervsfossen apart from many other waterfalls in Norway is how close you can get to it. Unlike some waterfalls that only offer distant views, here you have the unique chance to walk right behind the waterfall's curtain of water on a specially constructed path. Imagine standing behind that roaring cascade, feeling the cool mist on your face, and hearing the thunderous rush of water all around you. It's an immersive experience that brings you closer to nature than most places ever could. The Norwegian Public Roads Administration has done a fantastic job of developing the site for visitors. There is a modern scenic rest area right by the waterfall, equipped with comfortable parking, clean restrooms, and information boards that explain the geological and natural history of the area. The design of the facilities is very minimalist and eco-friendly, blending seamlessly into the natural surroundings so that you feel like you're still deep in the wilderness even though the infrastructure is top-notch. Even the public toilets here have been praised for their architectural beauty and the views they offer. The approach to Skjervsfossen is just as beautiful as the waterfall itself. Driving along Route 13, you'll pass through tunnels carved into mountainsides, winding roads with views of sparkling fjords below, and thick forests bursting with greenery. If you visit during spring, you'll witness the snowmelt from the surrounding mountains swelling the waterfall to its fullest, making it roar louder and spray wider. In summer, the weather is perfect for hiking and picnics, with long daylight hours and warmer temperatures. Autumn paints the landscape in rich shades of orange, yellow, and red, giving Skjervsfossen a magical, almost fairy tale atmosphere. And in winter, parts of the waterfall freeze, creating spectacular ice formations that attract photographers and thrill seekers alike. The changing seasons truly transform this place, making it worth visiting any time of year depending on the experience you want. One thing I really admire about Norway, and Skjervsfossen is a perfect example, is how they balance tourism with nature conservation. The area is developed enough to be visitor-friendly but still retains its wild, untouched feel. You won't find noisy crowds or large commercial shops here. Instead, it's peaceful, clean, and respectful of the environment. This makes your visit feel authentic and refreshing, especially if you come early in the morning or late in the evening when the crowds are smallest. Voss, the nearby town, is a fantastic base for exploring not just Skjervsfossen but also other outdoor activities like hiking, kayaking, and even skiing in the winter months. The entire region is known for its outdoor lifestyle, so if you love nature and adventure, you'll feel right at home. The local community welcomes visitors warmly, and you'll find cozy cafes and traditional Norwegian restaurants nearby, where you can try local dishes after your visit to the waterfall. If you're curious about local food, typical dishes you might find around Voss include rakfisk, which is fermented fish, or a raspabola, a potato dumpling served with meat or sausage. Trying local cuisine adds an extra layer to your travel experience, connecting you more deeply with the culture and traditions of the region. Photography enthusiasts will absolutely love Skjervsfossen. The waterfall is incredibly photogenic from multiple angles. From the top viewpoint, you can capture the full height and twin streams plunging down. From the trail that leads behind the falls, you can get dramatic shots framed by the cascading water and mist. And don't forget to look out for rainbows. On sunny days, the mist often refracts sunlight to create beautiful rainbows arching over the valley below. It's a photographer's dream, and a sight that stays with you long after you leave. For the best photos, early morning or late afternoon light is ideal, as the soft sunlight adds warmth and contrast to the scene. If you're planning a trip to Norway, Skjervsfossen makes a perfect addition to your itinerary. It's only about 20 kilometers from Voss, which is well connected by road and rail to major cities like Bergen and Oslo. That means whether you're renting a car, joining a guided tour, or even taking public transport, getting there is relatively easy. Plus, the journey itself is part of the adventure, with scenic views at every turn. For those who enjoy hiking, there are several trails in the area that offer different perspectives of the waterfall and surrounding landscape. The main path to the waterfall is well maintained and suitable for families with children or casual walkers. I really hope you get the chance to visit one day and experience the magic of standing behind those roaring waters yourself. Thanks so much for joining me on this virtual tour today. If you've been to Skjervsfossen or are planning to go, please share your thoughts and plans in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future travel adventures with me, Amaya, right here on our The Traveller YouTube channel. Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next amazing destination.